paper, this might be the fastest wireless gaming keyboard on the market. But let's be honest, gamers don't exactly trust wireless keyboards. In fact, it took a really long time for anyone to trust wireless gaming mice, and there's still a few knuckleheads out there that don't believe that those are the best. Today we're gonna find out if a wireless gaming keyboard is actually worth it, or if it's just better to stay wired. Now, full disclosure, Nuphy is sponsoring this video. And even though they did send the keyboard out for free and they are paying me to make this video, I can say whatever I want about the keyboard, and I plan to do that. But if you're not convinced by me, go look up some other reviews that are not sponsored. Although I will say we have a bad problem in the tech space of people not disclosing that they were paid when they really were. So at least, you know, I'm trying to be honest with you here. So before we go to unbox this thing, there are a couple of features on this keyboard that I'm really excited about and I think you'll actually think are cool too. So let's test this thing and see if it lives up to the hype. This is the Nuphy WH80. And this design is inspired by the Ferrari 512S Modelo and Japanese retro sports car tail stripes. And you can already tell from the picture on the box, it's got like a futuristic vibe. Now out of the box, we get the keyboard put in a really fancy carrying case, extra transparent keycaps, the wireless receiver, the USB-C cable, and the usual paperwork. And I'm gonna be honest, this might be one of the heaviest keyboards that I've ever held in my hand. Feels extremely, extremely premium. Now this particular version is the Nova white version, but it also comes in a nebula dark. And what stands out to me immediately is the aluminum alloy plates. And they said the finish on this is called the 180 grit zircon sandblasting finish. And honestly, it just seems to be built like a tank. Now, first impressions, I mean, it feels like an extremely well-built keyboard, especially for the price. I mean, it's a sub $200 keyboard. You want it to feel this good, okay? And like, there have been some other keyboards in this price range that I've held in my hands before that don't feel this premium. They still feel kind of cheap, but this one actually feels like they actually put a lot of work into it, and so it makes me feel a little better. Now, this is gasket mounted, fully filled internally, and weighs about 1.5 kilograms. Just by that weight alone, it should tell you that it's not a budget filling keyboard. You also get the front facing light strip, retro styling, and a super smooth aluminum knob that you can remap. This is also an 80% keyboard, so you know you get your arrows and your navigation cluster, and you still have plenty of room on your desk for the mouse. My only holdback here is I'm not a huge fan of where they place these buttons, but I know you're limited when you do a keyboard like this, but they did manage to get all of the home buttons and all of that stuff. It's not in a place that I particularly like, but also very weird when it comes to stuff like that. But anyway, the switches are the Jade Dragon switches, custom made by Nuphy and Gateron. And honestly, guys, I really wasn't expecting very much, because a lot of times when people talk about like custom switches, you just never know what you're gonna get. But they actually feel pretty good when you're pressing them, which I really like this particular feel. It's very similar to some of the other high-end keyboards that I've tested and tried out on the shorts versions of my channel. And it's a very premium sounding feel, which I really like. I don't like the clickety clack kind of deal, like the blue switches I think are the really loud ones. It doesn't sound like that. It feels pretty premium, and I like that personally. It's almost like they tried to blend the sound of a Hall effect switch with like a really high-end mechanical keyboard, and it just sounds pretty impressive. But now let's talk speed, which was the main point of this entire video. So the reason Nuphy claims this is because most wireless keyboards only run at 1000 hertz. Some premium keyboards that I've seen on the market might even run at like 2000 hertz polling rate, but you just don't really see that many wireless gaming keyboards. But this wireless receiver right here allows this keyboard to run at an 8000 hertz polling rate, which is what you've seen a lot here lately in the gaming mouse scene with a lot of the higher end mouses on the market. Basically, with 8K polling, what it means is the keyboard is checking 1000 times per second to see if a keystroke is pressed, which means it should be on par with a wired keyboard with almost like instant reaction speed. But we're gonna test it here in just a little bit. Now, before we get into the gaming test, another thing that you might be worried about is the battery life. Like, how much am I going to have to plug this thing up and let it charge? Now, keyboard may not seem like a big deal when it comes to that, but if it's wireless and you get used to a certain position on your desk and it dies a lot and you're having to plug it up and you have to play with it wired, it's just a really annoying feeling. That would just be super annoying. But this thing has a huge battery, which is good for over 500 hours playtime, which is like 2 months. It's also got the other things you would expect from a gaming keyboard. It's hot swappable, RGB, and it's got tri-mode connectivity. Plus, the cool thing is you can actually use this with 3 different devices at once by just switching the levers. But now the best part of the video, let's talk about performance. We're gonna start with a sound test just because I haven't really showed you exactly how it sounds, and I think it sounds pretty cool, and I've kind of talked about it, but now let's actually hear it. But then of course we've got to test the gaming capability. So what we actually decided to do was play a few games of it wired on Fortnite, and we played a few games of it not wired on Fortnite, just to truly get a perspective of how good the gaming keyboard actually is, and if we can tell a difference between wired and wireless. Now, the reason I chose Fortnite, 1, I'm just really liking Fortnite right now, and 2, it requires you to press a lot of buttons to build in Fortnite. And even though I'm a 33-year-old boomer, I feel like that at least gives me a good idea to tell how responsive the keyboard is. So I went in and changed the actuation points for this keyboard. Now, with Nuphy's software, I can go in and make all of these buttons more responsive, which I did. And you don't see that on a wireless gaming keyboard that much. So all the buttons that I use for my build binds, I went in and lowered down the settings for those. That makes it a little bit more responsive, and that's what I'm used to on the keyboard I've been using for the last couple of months. So I wanted to have that same feel wirelessly to see if I could, tell any sort of difference. And I was actually really impressed with the responsiveness of this. There for a while, you couldn't change the actuation points on a wireless keyboard. And the fact that we can have a wireless keyboard now that you can change the actuation points on and have it this fast and this responsive is super impressive to me.
But as far as gaming wired versus wirelessly, in the few games of Fortnite I played on this, I absolutely could not tell any difference whatsoever.
So would I recommend it? Sure. If you want to spend this much money on a keyboard, there's so many things going on here. I don't think you could complain. You can obviously change out the keycaps if you don't like the looks. You're going for a white setup. Like I said, they also have the black version. You could go in and get the black version as well. And you can easily change these keycaps out if you don't like any of these colors. Like, this is a great enthusiast keyboard if you're looking for something that is premium, high quality with a futuristic touch. And I left you a link down in the description with my discount code as well. And thanks again to Nuphy for letting me be honest in this review. I really enjoyed it.